This is DJI Phantom 4, and today I'll show how you can change the shooting picture style on this drone. So in the beginning, you will need to open the camera feed of the DJI Go app. From here, tap at the icon below the shutter button to open the shooting parameters. Now, depending on which shooting mode you have enabled, select this second section at the top. So if you're in the video mode, it will look like a video camera, and if you have the photo shooting mode switched on, it will look like a photo camera respectively. Now go into the style section and select what style you would like to, create your shoot or record video or take photos in. So standard, landscape, soft, or custom. So here you can adjust all those things manually. And well, as far as this video goes, that'll be it. So thanks for watching, and bye bye.